Hey guys, here's the 32-ton Minster with the 3-inch stroke. Press has been completely remanufactured. The ram was all redone, hand scraped. The bottom was all resurfaced. All new bronze bushings up top. Here's your custom bolster plate. The press has light curtains in the front with hard guards on the side. And also allows, we have these horizontal bars which allow the material to flow through. Back here, we have our loop system. It's a recirculating loop system. You put the oil in here. You have a sight gauge over here, and it shows you the pressure right at the gauge. If this machine loses pressure, you'll get a loop fault on the controller. On the other side, well, up front, here's your pressure at the machine. So if this falls below 30 psi, this is a pressure switch up here. It'll shut the press down at any time. Over here is the bar button for setup. So the bar button has a timer set in it. So after a minute, then the bar will become active, which allows the flywheel to stop before you actually put the bar in. The bar receptacle is over here in the flywheel. So you push the button and turn the flywheel. Here's your dual safety valve, Harry-on valve. You got an oiler and your regulator, and here's your lockout valve. We supplied another key for you guys to put some air to whatever you want to run. We'll look at the controls. This is the Seco Automator 2 control. All your push buttons and key switches, and on the side are your run buttons. This device over here is your brake resistor. We'll come around the back side. So here's your main disconnect. This is the VFD. This is what the brake resistor works with. Here's your control transformer. Here's the Seco rack system. But that's the complete press control. And you have some output relays, and those are your programmable limit switch outputs. We'll get the press running. We have the inch, single, and continuous. The inch mode. Single stroke. And then continuous. So over here, right now it's showing you we're running about 145 strokes per minute. The press will run, right now it's set up to run around 200 strokes per minute, and you can change that through the VFD. Maybe focus on the press. The press has speed compensation, so when you're running continuous, any stroke you stop it at, it'll always stop on top. I'm going to slow it down for you. So it doesn't matter what speed you're running at, the press will stop at top in continuous. Any questions? Thanks a lot, guys.